Hello everyone and welcome to unit number 9A located in Carter's Mobile Home Park in Edgewater, Florida. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath manufactured home. Sitting back here on a corner lot. Straight ahead there is your storage shed with your washer and dryer. Take a step inside and check it out. Walking inside here, your living room area. Straight on back to your first bedroom, which is equipped with its own bath, stand-up shower, sink over here in the corner. This way. Your kitchen, nice glass top stove, white refrigerator. This home is 68 feet long. Right in here is your dining room area. All the furniture does stay. This home also does have a 4-point inspection already performed. Right in here is your second bath, storage closet, and your second bedroom. Come on down, check this one out. Also has brand new breaker system. Yeah, come on down, check it out. It is lot number 9A, located in Carter's Mobile Home Park in Edgewater, Florida. Priced under $20,000.